Hey, what's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. If you're a guy out there and you struggle with lining up your beard, this right here is the video for you. Now let me do what I do. Hit it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna confess a secret to y'all. Your boy Uncle G, y'all know me. I've been a barber for 35 plus years. I've cut everybody's hair in the industry in California. But here's something that I have never shared before. Sometimes, how can I tell y'all this? Okay, I'm gonna just say it. Sometimes I even struggle lining up my beard. That's whoo. Thank goodness it felt good getting that out. I just feel relieved. Woosah. That's just some real talk. I don't always get it right. And I don't understand why, because I've been doing this for such a long time. I even make mistakes. But what I have used that has alleviated the mistakes is this beard black beard shaper. I know that's kind of hard to say. Beard black beard shaper is what you want to get if you have a problem lining up your beard. This thing right here has completely changed my life. I no longer mess up my beard anymore. Let me show you how this thing works. And it's not that expensive, guys. You can get it on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. Also, you can get it on the link on the video. But this thing right here, lifesaver. Now let's get the line of this thing up. The first thing you want to do always is to prep your beard. I like my beard two ways, either real wide or about the medium length. So what I'm going to do is show y'all the medium length. I'm going to line it up right here where the beginning of my beard starts because I want to keep the fullness of the sideburn because I want my beard to be a little bit under. You always want to know where you want to line up your beard. So I'm going to use the corner of my lip as the line. So you see the corner, but I'm going to take it just a tad bit shorter than that because where the hair right here, I don't have much. I want it to be full from here on here. So I just easily put my beard shaper up right there. And I'm using my World Vapor trimmers today. I'm lining up right where I want it to the lip. Look at it, that's nice and clean. I love where that line is. So I'm just gonna go over it right now. I don't need the beard shaper for this part, so I see where it is, and I'm just gonna clean it up. All I'm gonna do is do the same thing on the other side. So I got my beard shaper. Remember the little bit under the lip? And we doing the same thing. There's the top part of my beard. I got it nice and tight. I love the way it looks. Now, if you have a problem with lining under your beard, it's real easy. This beard shaper is going to solve the problem for you. You just line it up right where. I like to line it right where my chin stops and my neck starts are right here. I can just use my beard shaper. Now this is important, guys, because I noticed right here, it's just a little offset, and that's going to happen. You're going to make mistakes. So only thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it up a little bit higher, just right here. There you go, look. I took it up a little bit higher and that makes everything look good. Hey guys, don't penalize yourself. You may not always be perfect. It may take you some time to learn how to use the beard shaper, but I love this line right here, so I'm just going to do it straight across. I'm going to use it again. Look. If you want to get a closer shave, you can do this. You can pull the skin. And you can either go with or against the grain.
I fucking love you, Carl.
Now for my mustache, I don't need the beard shaper. All I'm doing is just lining it up. You can make your mustache thicker or thinner. I like my mustache like medium size, so my beard is nice and straight. It looks neat. Everything looks good. I might even have to step out to the comedy club tonight. Oh yeah, but don't forget, after you finish shaving, there's two things that you want to do to make your beard even better. First, I'm going to clean my beard up with the foil shaver. As you can see, there's little small stubbles right here. Once I use this foil shaver, all those stubbles will be gone. And you can see on the top, it's a little stubbles, but gone.
I fucking love you, Carl.
Take a look, guys, no more stubbles. Look, no more stubbles under, no more stubbles on my face. If you don't already have foil shaver, I highly recommend getting this because it saves you 2 or 3 days shaving, because it will get your facial hair real close, smooth, without the bumps. I'll leave a link in the description for this product as well. And then lastly, once you finish up, you gotta use the Sea Breeze and clean your face. I have a big bottle of Sea Breeze, which y'all won't need because I'm a barber and I use it all the time. What I'll do afterwards is I just get my Sea Breeze and rub it on my face. Everything feels good, no burn. My beard is looking good. Once again, I highly recommend this black beard shaper. If you have a problem lining up your beard, you can line it up thick, thin, it's however you want to do it. Mine is on the curve, but also if I wanted to do an L-shaped beard, like this, I can also do an L-shaped beard. There's different angles that you can do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you use on your beard, how you maintain your beard. Let me know what products you use. If you use a Sea Breeze, if you use a trimmer, what trimmer you use. And if you watch my videos and they've been helpful for you, leave a comment and let me know what video you want me to do next. It's your man, Uncle G. I'm here for y'all. Sign it off. Ciao.